Next question says two vehicles A and B travel with uniform speed 30 km per hour and 60 km per hour respectively in the same direction. They start at the same time from the same place for a distance of 120 kilometers. The faster vehicle B reaches the destination and travels back with the same speed. Assume that the loss of time to change the direction is negligible. If x is the distance traveled by the slower vehicle A before the two vehicles cross each other, then x is. Okay. Friends, let me explain you the question. Question says there are 2 points P and Q, let's say, right, which are 120 kilometers apart from each other. Alright. After that, there are two vehicles A and B. They are starting from P at the same time towards Q, right, with the speed of 30 km per hour and 60 km per hour respectively, right? Okay, and now the speed of B is more, obviously, then B will reach to point Q first, and when B is reaching to point Q, after that B is coming back to point P, fine, and A is going towards point Q now. I mean, A is still going towards point Q. So between P and Q, somewhere there is a meeting point, right? Somewhere they meet. Let's say this is point M. So this distance is x given in the question. We need to find what is x. I mean, at what distance they meet. Alright everyone, fine. You got the question. Please read the question again and try to comprehend the question first. Right? Please read the question. You may pause the video also. You can read the question and try to comprehend the question first. Fine. Alright. So here, everyone, if I talk about the solution, right, here, what is happening? A is like going from here to here and B is traveling from here to here, right? It is like this. The situation is like this. And this is 120 kilometers, right? Okay, fine. So if I talk about the speeds of A and B, so speeds of A is 30 km and speed of B is 60 km, right? So speeds of A and B are in the ratio 1:2, right? Speeds of A and B are in the ratio 1:2, right? So if speeds of A and B are in the ratio 1:2, then distance traveled will be in the ratio 1:2. Fine. Okay. So we just put the options, right? We just put the options over here now. So if let's say this is x, right? Fine. So if x is 70, suppose that if x is 70, then this will be 50, right? So if x moves 70, then B will be moving what? 120 plus 50. 120 plus 50 is 170. This is not 1:2, right? This is not 1:2. Now if x is 75, so this is 45, right? So distance between A and B, distance traveled by A and B will be what? 75 is to 165, which is not equal to 1:2. Then obviously this is not correct. Now let's talk about option C, 80. So this is 80. If this is 80, x is 80, then this is 40 left, right? Fine. So if x is 80 we consider, then this left part is 40 because total is 120. So A reaches 80 kilometers and in the same time B reaches what? 120 complete, then 40 more, right? So 120 plus 40 is 160, right? So this is what? This is actually 1:2, right? So yes, this is the correct answer, right? So obviously C is the correct one. X is 80 kilometers, right? So 80 kilometers from the starting point, the two vehicles are meeting towards each other. I mean they are crossing each other, sorry, right? So 80 kilometers from the starting point, the two vehicles are crossing each other, right everyone? Fine, clear, simple one. Okay, It's a very good question. In fact, we should know the concepts and we should know how to comprehend the question, right? All right, now let's talk about the next one.